square root of 5 raised to power cube root of square root of s plus 54 is equal to 25. Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In this class, I want to find the value of s from this equation. Solution. Then take note of this, that if you have square root of a, this is equal to a raised to power 1 over 2. Also, if you have square root of y, this is equal to y raised to power 1 over 2. Then let's work with this first. We have square root of 5 is equal to 5 raised to power 1 over 2, and 25 is equal to 5 squared. So let's substitute. Here is 5 raised to power 1 over 2 to the power of cube root of square root of s plus 54 is equal to 5 squared. Now note, if you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. This is equal to a raised to power n m. Then the whole of this is 5 raised to power 1 over 2 cube root of s plus 54 is equal to 5 squared. Now they have the same base 5, so we work with exponent. Exponent is 1 over 2 cube root of x plus 54 is equal to 2. Let's multiply both sides by 2. Then multiply by 2. Multiply this by 2. This will cancel this. We are left with cube root of x plus 54 is equal to 2 times 2, that is 4. Let's multiply the exponent of both sides by 3, that is cube root of s plus 54 to the power of 3 is equal to 4 raised to power 3. This will cancel this. We are left with root of s plus 54 is equal to 4 raised to power 3. Here is root of s plus 54 is equal to 64. Now let's see, root of s is equal to 64. If you bring this to this side, minus 54. Now root of s is equal to 10. Now let's take the square of both sides. Root of s square is equal to 10 square. This will cancel this. S is equal to 10 square is 100. This is the final answer. If you